So is the struggle real with your dry scalp and you can't quite figure out why your scalp is so dry and you've tried everything, including every oil, every product, nothing seems to work? Well, I might have the answer for you. Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And today we are going to talk about scalp dryness and the one thing that you may need to do to help with your scalp dryness. Now, in order for me to talk to you about that, I need to give you just a general understanding of the layers of skin. Because remember, the scalp is skin. And a fun fact, the skin is the largest organ in the body. Okay, just thought I'd share that. Okay, so real quick, these are the layers of skin. So skin is made up of 3 layers. The bottom layer is the subcutaneous layer. That's the layer that houses your scalp's dense supply of blood vessels and fatty tissues. Now the middle layer is called the dermis layer, and the uppermost layer is the epidermis layer. And that is what we're going to focus on, that epidermis layer. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp, but not just a healthy scalp. In order for the scalp to be healthy, it has to be hydrated. That is the word I want you to focus on. Hydrated. Healthy hair starts with a hydrated scalp. And how does your scalp get hydrated? It gets hydrated from proper water, but not just water that you put on your hair. No, I'm talking about water within the body. Let me tell you how it works. This glass represents a well-hydrated body, your well-hydrated body. This glass represents that. How does water, or water provides hydration, get to the scalp? This straw is going to represent your scalp. Again, use your imagination. I'm going to take this straw, which is your scalp, and put it in water. And let's see what happens. You can see in the, well, I don't know how well you can see it, but what's submerged in the water represents those lower layers, the dermis and the subcutaneous layers of skin. The top part represents the epidermis, so the uppermost layer. I don't think, let me see. Can you see that? So what happens when the body is properly hydrated? Then water housed in the deeper layers of the skin will migrate up to the uppermost layer, the epidermis layer. And that is how your scalp receives hydration or water from the body. Again, let me explain it one more time. Water housed in the body migrates up to the scalp, and it receives moisture from the body. Now, what happens if the body doesn't have much water? Let's see. This glass has some water, but not a lot. This represents your dehydrated body that does not have sufficient water. If your scalp, if there's not sufficient water within the body to hydrate the scalp, as you can see, the scalp is not going to get any moisture. So I think I'm answering the question. Have y'all figured it out by now? It is important that you keep your body hydrated first to fight scalp dryness. Your body is key. You should be drinking adequate amounts of water to fight dryness. This is why when your body is not adequately hydrated, your scalp is dry. But what we tend to do, we tend to add product on top of product. We add oils. We add so much stuff to our scalp because our scalp is so dry. So the one thing to answer the question, if you have not figured it out by now, that you can do to hydrate your scalp or to fight scalp dryness is to drink more water. How you like them apples? Drink more water. I typically say half your body weight in water, or you can drink 8 glasses of water a day. Now, I do know that the Institute of Medicine recommends a daily intake of water of anywhere from 2 to 3 liters of water. So 2 to 3 liters of water per day. That also helps with healthy hair growth. So for those of you who are dealing with dry scalp, if you're not drinking adequate water, add more water to your lifestyle. I promise you, your hair and your scalp will thank you for it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video on the importance of hydrating from within. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video. And until we talk again, stay fat.